So we have a circle C. We have two chords that intersect, and the chords are we have LM, and then we have LN, and we have PM. And the way intersect is when they intersect, they're going to create angles, and the opposite angles are the vertical angles are congruent. So these angles are vertical angles, and they're congruent. And also we have this one is congruent to this. Now let's say we want to find, let's say we name this. Let's say we call this angle 1, angle 2, 3, and 4. Let's say we want to find angle 1. If we can find angle 1, angle 3 will be the same exact thing. So in order to find angle 1, the theorem tells you to do this. The theorem tells you to look at the arc that it intercept. So angle 1 intercept this arc, and angle 3 intercept this arc. And it says, look at the arc and do this. Angle 1, measure of angle 1 will be 1/2 of this arc, the arc LP, plus the arc MN. That's how we find angle 1. Now, if this is angle 1, angle 3 will be the same exact thing because they are vertical angles. So angle 3 will be 1/2 measure of the arc LP plus the measure of the arc MN. Now let's say we want to find angle 2, and if we can find angle 2, we can find angle 4. So let's say we want to find angle 2. Find angle 2. Now, in order to find angle 2, we have to look at the arc that intercept angle 2. So we're going to look at the arc LM. We're going to look at this arc LM. And we're also going to look at the arc PN. So our equation would then be measure of angle 2 would be 1/2 of the arc LM plus 1/2 plus the arc PN. Now if angle 2 is this, angle 4 will be the same exact thing because they are vertical angles. So angle 4 would be 1/2 measure of arc LM plus measure of the arc PN. So these are the equation, and that's how we come up with the equation in order to find the angle when two lines intersect.